Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sir, and good morning. My name is Eli Nurarina binti Bahrain. My student ID is 2021-547469. So today I would like to talk about travel and street photography for research and pre-visualize assignment that I chosen Kota Baru, Kelantan. In this presentation, I will talk about the introduction of myself, the destination that I've chosen, and the reason why, the equipment that I have used for this travel and street photography assignment, and lastly, the conclusion of the presentation. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Eli Nurarina binti Bahrain. I am 22 years old. I was born and raised at Melaka. I have 4 siblings and I am the second one. So during Hari Raya, my family returned to our hometown at Kelantan, and I took the opportunity to visit the interesting places in Kelantan at the same time. Kelantan is offering a journey of mystery, excitement, and luxury that awaits for you with open arms. Kelantan, which is said to translate as the land of lightning, and located in the northeastern corner of the peninsula. Let's move to the next topic, which is destination. I choose Kota Baru, Kelantan as my destination to present to you. The first destination is Pasar Siti Khadijah in Kota Baru, Kelantan, Malaysia. The Pasar Siti Khadijah market is one of the most popular places in Kota Baru, Kelantan, representing this culture by its service. Named after the wife of the Rasulullah SAW, Khadijah, this place is mainly run and operated by women. It was named after her because Khadijah was a pure entrepreneurial woman in her time. Pasar Siti Khadijah market is so beautiful that it is considered the most photographed destination of Malaysia. The running of businesses and shops by women make this place very unique. Apart from this fact, the 3-story building house and colorful vegetable market and the 100 of stalls, giving the local residents and tourists more reason to visit this place. The next destination is Istana Balai Besar Kota Baru, Kelantan. It is not easy to miss the Istana Balai Besar Palace, as its unique traditional and cultural finishing catch your eyes right in the middle of the Kota Baru town. Istana Balai Besar can boast being the oldest place in Malaysia. Its unique Great Hall is still used for royal ceremonies such as the crowning and the coronation ceremonies. The palace also serves as an institution to preserve Malay heritage and tradition. Muhammad Saleh, as a craftsman from the neighboring state of Terengganu, is accredited for the fine work of Istana Balai Besar. Thought as the most skilled craftsman in Kelantan, then Muhammad Saleh was commissioned to produce structural pieces of art. His superb craftsmanship and the wonders of his work can be admired until today, as they have remained unharmed by time. The equipment that I use is camera Nikon D3500, computer, and iPhone 11. This image has 24 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, X-Speed 4 image processor, ISO range of 100 to 5600, 11-point autofocus system through the optical viewfinder, shoots continuously at 5 frames per second, capable with full HD 1080-60p video, Bluetooth for image transfer, 6:1K dot fixed LCD screen, and lastly, battery rate for 1550 shots per charge. I use ThinkStation P330AH004 MUS Tower Workstation and monitor Lenovo ThinkVision for the Photoshop editing. Lastly, I use iPhone 11 as my main camera. As you can see, it has dual end features such as quad LED, dual tone, flash, and HDR. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it.